Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these birch leaves. They are one of 3 leaf patterns included in my Autumn Leaves pattern set. So here's what you'll need. This is Malabrigo Worsted yarn in Praline. You'll need a tapestry needle and a crochet hook in a 3.5mm size, and then a pair of scissors. The first thing you'll want to do is make a slip knot and then chain 10. So now you'll single crochet 1 into that second chain from the hook and then 1 into the next 7 stitches. So once you get down to that last chain at the end, you will single crochet 3 into this one. And then after I've single crocheted those 3, I like to kind of tighten up that loop. It gets a little loose. So then turn it and single crochet into the other side of the foundation chain. And so you will single crochet 1 into the next 7. So now that you've gotten to that 7th stitch, you will chain 1, turn, and single crochet into just the one loop, not both loops of your single crochet stitch, and you have skipped the first single crochet. So there's a little bit to remember there. So you're skipping the first single crochet and only single crocheting into the one loop. And there are a total of 7 from this on this side. And then when you get to that end, that last stitch here, that's it's going to be the base of your leaf, you go through both loops, single crochet 3 into that one. And so now you are creating the other side of your leaf, and you're going to go back to single crocheting into just the one loop of that crochet stitch just below it. And this will be 7 up this side, just like the other, to make a match. And then when you get to that top 7th stitch, you will chain 1, turn, skip the first single crochet, and then single crochet into just the one loop. Just continue single crocheting down this side a total of 7 stitches. When you get to that center stitch, again you will crochet through both loops and put 3 single crochets into that one stitch. And then when you come back over to the other side, you will single crochet 7. So all you have to do to make this birch leaf is just continue that same row over and over until you've got 4 little corners on each side of your birch leaf. For those of you who'd like to see a written pattern as well, I've shared a link below with the written pattern for this birch leaf so that you can look at that along with this video. I know that can be really helpful with having the numbers written out and exact information, maybe a little bit more concise than I'm explaining it here. So now that this birch leaf has 4 edges to both of its serrated sides, we get to make the stem. And the way that I do that is I go through both loops of that bottom stitch, I slip stitch, and then chain 5. And then I'm going to slip stitch into that second chain from the hook, and then slip stitch 1 into each chain down until I get to the base of my leaf. So once you get back down to the base of your stem, slip stitch into that same stitch, and then single crochet 1 into just that one loop, same as we've been doing on the sides of the leaves. Single crochet 1 into the next 7, so that it makes that side of the leaf look even. And then from here, we're almost done. So when you cut off your yarn, make sure to leave yourself a pretty long tail so that you can use your tapestry needle to weave in the ends. So before weaving in your ends, make sure that center stitch is really nice and tight. And then just proceed to go in and out of a few stitches back and forth to make sure that your leaf doesn't come unraveled. Lastly, you will weave in your last yarn end in the same. Just go back and forth a few times until it feels nice and secure, and then snip off that end and your leaf is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. And like I mentioned before, this is one of 3 leaf patterns that is included in my autumn leaf pattern set, and I've linked that below in case you'd like to see it.